Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to the Sound Design channel. My name is FurCloud, and today we're going to be making a Tinlicker inspired lead using the Vital Synth. So you can also find this patch in the pack linked below. And now let's just get started. This is how the lead sounds. And this is how the MIDI looks like. Alright, now let's copy the MIDI and let's open up a new instance of Vital. And let's initialize the preset. Now the first thing we're going to do here is we're going to turn on the filter. And now let's go to oscillator 1 and let's select the classic blend wavetable, and let's move the frame to around 140. Now let's turn on our sample noise oscillator and let's move the level to 0. We're going to be using this white noise later. Now let's go to envelope 1 and create our envelope shape. And now with envelope 2, we're going to be attaching this to the filter cutoff, and we're going to be creating a much shorter and pluckier envelope shape. And the release is going to be around 0.607 seconds. Now to add a little bit more punch to the sound, we're going to be using the envelope 3, and we're going to be creating a very short envelope shape. And we're going to be attaching this to the level of the white noise. Alright, so now let's add a little bit more movement to the sound. We're going to be using the random one. We're going to be attaching this to the filter cutoff, and we're going to have it at a minimum of 11 or 8. And now let's attach this to the fine tune of oscillator 1. Just to add a little bit of that analog feel to the sound. And we're going to have it at 0.213. Somewhere around there. So now let's go to the voices. Let's make it mono. And let's turn the glide to 0.037. Let's select the always glide option here. Alright, so now let's go to the effects section and let's turn on the EQ, and let's remove some of those lower frequencies in the sound. Now let's turn on the compressor and let's move the mix to around 0.203. Now let's turn on the chorus and let's turn the mix to around 12%. Now let's turn on the delay, and with delay we're gonna have the mix at around 13-14%, and we're gonna have the mode as stereo. And last thing is the reverb. Just do that and have the mix at around 21%. Alright, so that's how you make a Tinlicker inspired lead using the Vital Synth. Feel free to grab this patch in the pack linked below. And thank you so much for watching this video, and I will see you soon in the next one. Bye.